When you came in sight, dear, my heart grew light, and this old world seemed new to me.
Come here, Mr. Shane, please let me explain. Come here, Mr. Shane, means that you're glad. I tried to explain. Come here, Mr. Shane, so kiss me and say you understand. I could say,